Hello everyone, this is Dr. Cui. So in this video, I'd like to discuss another question you may you may be asked during the interview. So what do you want to be when you grow up? So in order to answer this question, you definitely need to know which specialty you are going to interview. So if you want to join the interview for the pathology, and you definitely want to let them know that you want to become a pathologist. And if you want to interview the internal medicine, so you can tell them you want to become a physician. And you can also tell them based on your subspecialty you have trained or you want to train in the future. For example, you can tell them you want to become a cardiologist or endocrinologist if you are going to interview in internal medicine. And also you need to let them know the reason or story to support your point of view, why you want to become a physician uh, or the pathologist, and also show your passion and motivation to become a doctor when you tell them the story. And so I'll give you an example for now. So let's get started. Okay, Dr. Cui, can you tell me what do you want to become in the future? So when you grow up. Oh yeah, so definitely. Because you know that after going to the med school, I found myself very interested in the internal medicine. So from that moment, I made a decision that I want to become a physician, because whenever I treat a patient, I see that the physician is like a detective. We pick up every pieces of evidence from the patient history and the lab works, and also we did physical examinations. Then we put them together, and finally exclude all other possibilities and get the uh, correct diagnosis, which is so amazing. And then we give the patient appropriate treatment, and the patient finally get recovered. So which is so amazing. I really enjoy this process. So that's why I want to choose the internal medicine as my future career. So you see that in this example, I told the interviewer that why I want to become a physician, um, I show my passion and and my motivation why the internal medicine is very interesting to me. And so, as I mentioned, the physician just like a detective. I like solve those puzzles and just pick up every pieces of evidence from those patient history, physical examinations, lab works in order to get the correct diagnosis and also exclude all other possibilities. So actually, this process is really interesting, and I was attracted by this kind of process. So that's why I want to become a physician. So, so I give enough evidence to support my point of view, and also actually my answer is pretty short, like within 1 minute, and then I just give the interviewer the full evidence to support my point. So probably you can also consider telling the interviewer of this kind of answer. So I hope it's helpful. Good luck.